Hi everyone, it's JC here with another video for you. So today we're gonna take a look at my brand new camera. This is the one. It's the Sony ZV-E10. As you guys know, I already have the ZV-1, which is the camera I'm using to film this video. But today I just decided that I needed a new camera for my sit-down videos, and I've been researching, and since this little beauty here was released, I've been, flirting with it, and I thought that this would be a great upgrade for my system. As you probably know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I used to film with my Canon M6, but to be honest, Canon has let me down for quite some time. I realized by now that Canon is never listening to what consumers want. When I say consumer, I'm talking about people like me, not the professionals, because apparently Canon is only focused on professionals, and I do not have enough money to buy those expensive cameras that they have been releasing. And apparently they've given up on the APS-C system. If not, they are probably bringing something more expensive. But I thought, you know what? Sony is the one company that's been listening to what people want. And since I bought the ZV-1, I've been very happy with that. So I thought that when upgrading, I should stick with Sony. So what did I do? I took my M6 and a couple of accessories and traded into this one. So this beauty came out at 250 euros. Yes, it's a bargain because I got a very good deal on my old camera. So without any further ado, let's open this box and see what's inside. Well, we already know what's inside, but you know what I mean. It's just an unboxing. I am so excited. Ooh, this camera seems to be so cute. And here we go. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is something from the store. I actually like the store in Amsterdam. I've always been buying my cameras there from them. They are really great, and whenever I need to trade something in, they are more than willing to do it. So yes, I'm sticking with them. Well, I'm not going to talk about the, spend too much time on the little things. I go directly to what matters, and this is the camera. My God, it is actually quite light. Ooh. I got the one with the kit lens, which is the 16 by 50, and oh my God, I am going to put the battery. Okay, what else is in? Okay, this is the little little dead cat, just to put over the microphone. So let's leave it here. The charger. What? Oh my gosh, look. It came with two different chargers. This is the UK one, and I'm in Amsterdam, which means that I need the European one. Oof! So, wow, wonderful. Look, two cables. So if I ever go to England, I can bring this cable. This is really cool. Okay, a camera strap, which we never use. But anyway, it's there in the box. What is this? I don't know. I think it's a sort of charger. No, it's not is it a battery charger? It's not a battery charger. I don't know what that is. The battery, okay, which is in here. And this is the USB-C cable. So how does this work? I don't understand. Anyway, okay, so let's put the battery on because I really want to check this out. I don't know if there's any juice in the battery, so let's see. What? Oh my God! There's a battery inside! Oh, you guys, you're not gonna believe this, but the guy, he opened the, oh my gosh, how do I take this off? The guy put this battery inside to test the camera, and he just left it there. Oh my God. How do I open this? Oh wow. I have an extra battery. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I don't believe this. Okay, well, good for me. So there's already a battery there. So let's just open the camera. And, oh, okay. This is different from the ZV-1 because the ZV-1, the moment you open the screen, it turns on. But this one has a turn on and off button. So you have to turn it on. Oh, okay. So I have to enter. I have to, oh gosh. Okay, let me just set it up. 1 second. And we're back. Okay, so I set it up and here is the camera. Look. Oh my goodness. So shall we do no card? Oh, okay. I need to put a card. Wait. Okay, so I put a card and now we are going to do a little bit of filming to see how it is. And here I am recording on my new Sony ZV-E10 with the kit lens. Oh gosh, look at this. I have my whole arm extended and this is basically the field of view you get with a 60mm. But there's another lens that I want to show you, but this is the sound coming from the camera. I'm just using the built-in microphone and I just love this. So this is so cute and it is so compact and actually light. I really love it. And there you go, look at that. Isn't that a beauty? I just love it. Okay, so let's turn this off, first of all. And now, I want to tell you something. I don't know if you remember, but years ago, I used to have the Sony a6000 and I wanted to buy a lens that had a better aperture. So I ended up buying this one here, which is the 20mm 2.0. And when I decided to sell that camera to get the M6, I decided that I was not going to sell this lens because I always felt that in the future I might go back to a Sony, and because this lens was not that cheap, so I decided to keep it. And boy, am I happy that I kept it, because now I can actually use it because this lens is so crisp, it is so beautiful, and we are going to try it on right now. So let me put it on first of all, just 1 second. So let me open this. Okay, and look at this. Now, this is the ZV-E10 with the 20mm 2.8. So let's see how the filming, how the footage is with this lens. So let's do a little vlogging situation here. So here is me now trying to vlog with the 20mm. As you can see, it is not that wide. So it is not the best lenses to vlog with because it's too much on my face. But it's the perfect lens for me to do sit-down videos because it's so crisp. It has a wonderful aperture and I think the image is really, really nice. I really love it. And of course, if you want to take pictures, this lens, it's amazing. I'm not big in pictures, you know, too big in pictures, but I really use my camera more for videos. But if I want to take pictures, so this is the lens to go for. So there you have it. This was my unboxing of the Sony ZV-E10. I am really loving this camera. It is so nice and compact. Look at that. Oh my God. It almost disappears next to in my hands. Look at that. It is so cute. I love it. And very light. So this was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye.